I'm going deep into the void.
Free fall. We've simulated it. Free fall.
How you guys doing today? Chris here from DaddyMacDiesAndDiscDying.com, and today we're just gonna do a rainbow glue bed. So let's see what you guys are gonna need. We're gonna start off. I have my my bed there. Today I'm gonna use my Stacy Ronsley Tour Series Lutz from Castaplast. I'm gonna need something to manipulate the bed with air, so I got my syringe cap there. I have some of these droppers right here. You can find those on discdying.com. These glass droppers, they're new. I need a skewer or something else to manipulate the bed. I got some gloves. Of course, I have clear glue, and then I got my colors here. It doesn't matter necessarily which colors you're using, you know, whatever kind of rainbow pattern you'd like. Today I am doing Iris Orchid, a pink mix that I have, Neon Lemon Zest, I have a Quick Coat green, it's like a fluorescent green, and then I have Aquatic Green, Caribbean Blue, and Royal Blue. So those are our colors. I'm gonna get stuff moved around here, and we can go ahead and get started. Okay, all my colors are ready to go here. I got my glue poured. The only thing we are taking into account here is the dome and the disc. You just want to make sure that the dome, you pour the glue deep enough that it's going to cover the whole disc and not bottom out. So, you know, maybe a 1/4 inch at the most. And a flatter disc, you don't even have to do that much. You can do real thin. So we're just going to get our droppers ready to go here. And I'm going to start off with Iris, and then I'm going to work my way down. So we're just going to start with this. I'm going to go in the middle, and I do like a little curved line. It's going to go the way that I kind of want it to look while it's spinning. And then my pink here. And you'll see this is a pretty quick process. I've done this quite a bit. I'm going to go with my neon yellow, my zest, and then my green, and then my aquatic green, Caribbean blue, and then last is my royal blue that's going to meet up with my iris here. And I might even drop a little more iris on there just to kind of fill it in. And you can see we already have that kind of rainbow pattern. And then from here, you know, all I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the center and just kind of drag my way back and forth in this little U pattern. Just to get the colors kind of mixed up and get those cool stripes and patterns in there. Go around twice, just like that. You can see what we got there. And now what I typically do is I go in with my syringe, the end of my syringe, and I just go through and use air to just kind of manipulate the bed and give it a little more look and texture. Just like that. And that's it, guys. I'm just gonna set this down in here. I'm gonna try to center it up with the middle here, and then this disc is gonna sit, and I'll show you guys some results. All right, guys. There we go, the simple rainbow spiral. I hope that helped. I want to see what you do. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I will try to put any of the supplies and stuff I did, or at least what I have links for, I'll put them in the description below. This disc and any of the other discs I do on these videos will be for sale at daddymacdies.com. Thank you guys again for watching. I hope I see you out there in the course. Later.